They label me a menace. Black boy from the project buildings. Profile that's collateral damage. Seen as public enemy number one. The star villain of this motion picture. Viewed through the eyes of Captain America. Drafted into his civil war. Fighting for dear life against winter soldiers who shoot first and ask for justice later. Now we have his blue shields and purple hearts. Missing cast members. Black widows. Scarlet witches who are hunted by mobile gas stations. Quick trips that remind him of graveyards. X-Men who are already heroes, weather the storm, stayed focused. I'm talking fathers, dads, pop stars before they pop stars, made one-hit wonders out of our father figures, sons turned Avengers. We call it the gang now. A suicide squad, a group of misfits trapped under the same umbrella. The hood is like an academy. Open enrollment, where we turn young boys into Iron Man, cyborgs with no emotions, turn teens into titans, beast boys, wolverines, Black Panthers prowling in the shadows. We be the new goons, goblins, nightcrawlers with insomnia, daredevils, hellboys with the iron fist, peacemakers, guardian of the ghetto. Low key, we was bred for this. You can see the venom coursing through our veins. Where I'm from, they call us the Legion of Doom.